this house. I just men, they cook for me since.
Imagine.
It's just
two of your men are dipped.
Gen Zs are breaking the barriers.
You're gonna dip, bro.
I want to ask young girls, if you and Fina were not together, will you have dated Chomzy?
But if me and Fina never happened, I would have moved to Ghana for sure.
She will fight you.
Gonna be like, I better go.
She will fight you.
I will wipe you that thing for head, make you get sense. It's yours.
Even if it's obvious I'm going to pick Fina, it wasn't. I don't even know who I was going to pick.
That's not true. So, it's
girl, I
okay.
beg, you are the f***ing liar now.
I'm
See, you
sorry.
started.
Chichi.
Mouth control, I
You
don't
need to learn mouth control. Chichi, are you okay? What's wrong with you?
I'm not okay, madam. Insult who I go insult. If anybody want to come pick, fight, go to their house, make a consult.
You don't come to the lounge now, guy, I swear.
Don't try me. I'll actually tell you my mind. There's no problem with you, Bella. You're rude, and everybody knows you're rude.
Houseboy, wait on boy for doing. Don't drop your plate, everybody. I beg, because I will embarrass you.
Daniela, kindly find the details of your reward as this week's Tale of House.
Hey, it's a surprise.
I don't see a